I'm about to ride in the Can-Am. This shit's gonna be sketchy because I know Kip's gonna get wrecked. Alright guys, so we're gonna go riding in these trails here. Just got all kinds of things. Yo, watch it. I think we gotta let it warm up a little bit first. No, I'll just shut off. No! No! You got this, buddy? Let's see it. Looks like a jet ski. Yo, Scuba Steve!
Look, how happy are you that you took that shit from?
Oh, bro.
I'm dry. I'm nice and dry. I don't know, you guys suck.
Oh, yeah, no, same, dude. These things get busy. You brought chainsaws?
We cut all the whole path.
Yeah. Really?
That wasn't going in. We weren't going in 2 days ago. We cut down a couple places.
I want to see you ride this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's nasty.
Who's that?
It's Jordan. How'd you do? Bro, you should have seen Kevin. I got it on video. That shit's hilarious. What's up, Viv? Oh, shit.
911, hello.
Oh, this is. I called it by accident. Sorry.
Okay, there is no emergency?
Nope.
Alright, thank you very much for not hanging up.
Bro. Yo, you have a high gear?
Yeah.
Yours is so much faster than his.
I got a sport mode, 101 horsepower.
I wonder if he has it. I don't know, but yeah, his is like dogging up the hills.
Really?
Yeah, it won't, like you passed us, that was matted.
I wasn't even half throttle.
Really? Yeah, I feel like there's something wrong with that thing. It should definitely be faster.
He only has a low gear?
No, he has high and low. It's in high.
That was with sport mode all.
Yeah, we gotta do one of those TikToks where it's like Pennsylvania check.
Yeah. Damn, Kev. I feel like if you put if you got a flathead in there, you might be able to get.
You got it? No fucking way.
Why don't I gotta fix everything?
Oh,
You got the extra spark plug? Yeah.
my ass to 50's making it through there, bro.
I told you we're going across the creek. Where you
said a creek,
not
nigga,
the
that's a
Mississippi
river.
River. That's a creek,
That's
bro.
the Mississippi River. My fucking leg.
I know we were crossing the school.
Did you make it across fine?
Yeah, no problem.
I made it across.
I didn't even get
wonder
wet.
why. You made it across fine. Good. There's a nasty hill climb up here.
Really?
It's only like 10 feet long, but it's like vertical.
Do we have to go up it?
Yeah, you have to go up it to get to the trails.
Oh yeah, I got a hash brown. Hold up. Niz. I said I got a hash brown.
Don't get any more gas. Yo, can I put my hoodie in your bag, bro?
Bro, you asking for a lot right now.
Come on.
You asking for hash browns, hoodies.
Right, you want to ride the bike? I'm gonna sit in the Can-Am.
Nah, that's cool, bro. Honestly, like, I'm chilling. Dude, they double bag these things now because of Corona.
Really?
Yeah.
I just don't feel like wearing it.
You can put it in my bag. Just throw me like a 5 or something.
Alright.
But I'm not stuffing it in there. And you got that.
I'm holding up a bike.
You want the hoodie or you want the bike? Yo, until I think yanks the handlebar, bro, you're reckless. Here. Here. This should be interesting. Pop her up.
Yo, I'm trying to come down this hill and wheelie the whole way down.
That'd be sick. I'll get it on video. You want to try it? Yo, Alex, you want a picture? Hold on, for like the gram. Bro, I'm telling you, it's a fire jump. Oh, just look the other way. I'll just keep on my lap till we get down there.
that he knew. He fucked up.
Holy fuck!
Yeah. God. Bro.
That was nasty. That was good, yeah. Holy crap.
Yeah.
You filmed that?
Yeah. That was nasty.
Dude, that was so fucking gnarly.
Honestly, dude, it'll buff out.
Yeah.
Ah, you had it. Okay.
You got him now. It takes a lot of fucking effort.
Young Philly boy. So what's the game plan here?
You're making a ski.
Strap this fucker on there.
Are you?
I guess we seem to be set it in here.
Yeah, this is gonna be great.
At least we're alright.
Yeah, exactly. Could be worse.
Good?
You got it, bro.
Look, should I just try it?
Try it.
How close is I?
What do you mean, to what?
Bro!
It landed after this, bro. Look right where you landed. It was like right here.
Should I try it again?
You almost had it. Yeah, drive shaft's just spinning up here.
Is it?
Yeah. How are we gonna get it up onto the
Wait,
trailer?
we can't get it up on. How are we gonna get it up on if I gotta connect to it? It's gonna take everybody.
Everybody.
Where are we grabbing it from? The body or the?
Somebody get the trailer. Whoa, don't go much further because it's somebody's got to get the trailer.
Who wants to get it?
Guys, ready?
Yeah.
Get your foot out.
1, 2, 3,
trailer.
go.
Look at that.
I like it.
One, two, three. Let go of the brake.
Let's go. Turn it.
Turn it, maybe to the right.
Hold the brake.
Yeah, you're
babe.
good.
You're good. Can you turn
You're
this
doing
way?
great.
Now we gotta lift this completely up. The trailer's gotta come down.
This way?
Yeah.
All right, I'm on
Now
it.
we have to lift this whole side up and push forward.
Let go of the brake, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let go, boys. Go. All right, on the brake, on the brake. We're on it.
We're on
Brake,
it.
okay? All right, we're try to give it a little bit of more of a push. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. On the brake. On the brake. Good girl.
All right, you gotta go forward.
Yep. All right, backseat.
She got MVP for the day. Running out of SD storage and battery, so I'm gonna end it for today, but thank you guys for watching.